Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the...
Well, good morning everybody, welcome to Bali. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nilotika Wilantari. You call me Tika. I'm from Bali City Tour. I am your tour guide today, and it is we have Mr. Budi. It is our driver. Mr. Budi is professional driver, and he has been driving more over 5 years. Please do not worry about this safety. Ladies and gentlemen, now we take you to your hotel for you accommodation. It is Rumah Due located in the Gianyar. 1 hour for the place. It is the hotel have standard international. The service provided by this hotel is very good for the moment. We arrive, we will be greeted by the front office and gave us a welcome drink after greeting our of the car, and welcome to sit will waiting for the receptionist to be complete. After receptionist is complete, the buyer is immediately leave by the porter into the room. This is a hotel have a swimming pool, restaurant. The name is Sapitri Restaurant. In this restaurant have a local menu and international menu. Is a local such as sate lilit, mujair nyat, babi guling, and the international as spaghetti carbonara, sushi, and pizza. This hotel have a 75 room and 3 family room and 2 spa room. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all about your hotel. Now all need to give your general information about Bali. Bali is located between this island of the Java and the island of the Lombok. Most of the Balinese population is Hindu. In almost every continent of the earth there are temple of or shop, but a like temple that are used as a place for joint ceremony and small temple in the very house. Therefore, ever from being known as the island of the good, Bali is also known as the island of the thousand temple. Strong religious spiritual influence, almost a very element and movement of Balinese life did make Bali not only as beautiful scenery but also until and well maintained cultural. Bali is an international tourism destination that is after better known than Indonesia. Bali is economy is like sport by the tourist sector. Denpasar is the center of the government and economy until now. Several new economic activities and area have been being developed to support the tourist sector, such as the activities economies, maritime, tourist and ex-tourism in Ubud, Nusa Dua, Seminyak, Jimbaran, and several other places in Bali have 5 regional such as Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, Buddha, Protestant, and Christian. Okay, we are in 5 5 minutes we will arrive in your hotel, so please prepare your seat and check your luggage. Please do not let anything be five, and I would to say have a nice day, and I will see you at am tomorrow. See you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tika Wilantari. You call me Tika. Do you so name tag? No, behalf of Bali City Tour, we will flying you to Tabanan and Sanur, Bali. And now we have your friend Coach Mr. Budi, but we call him Coach Budi. He has professional drive skill for almost 5 years. So, no, say hello, Mr. Budi.
Hello, Mr. Budi.
Is good, and no means to travel. She saying will be your companion all day. Your self is our top priority, and I know you are all excited. And no sign miss to travel and tour will be your companion for the rest of the day. Your safety is our utmost priority, and I know you guys are all excited for this tour, but before we proceed, I have heard, don't feel it. Reminder, I want you to remember the 3 layer, which is that VLM. For the first letter, which is the letter P, is stand for precaution. Make sure always wear your protective dress set as your face mask and face shield like this sticker. Follow the social distancing and have alcohol and your set, and remember, do not have your set, and remember like you wallet. And for the second letter, which is letter L, is the time for littering. Safety always. Remember, litter is by kind. Be responsible for a trash and practice a litter. Clean as you go. And for the last letter and the being informat letter to remember is the letter M. Make the cost of your time, and speaking of time, you should have the same time. In my time, it's all 9 a.m. in the morning, then okay?
Okay.
And other time, flight reminder is to follow my side. If I remember is to follow my signal. If I went my flight, it meant we have a 20 minutes to run around, and if we want each minute we have a 5 minutes left, and if I wish win Hitman, we have to go to our next destination, and no be announcement that you are no Gerlingen. Now I have an emergency. Can please rise you connect in Raymond are the any occasion?
No.
Okay, sign. Our reactor is very cooperative today. Let's enjoy our tour. So now, our ladies and gentlemen, we are heading to Sanur, Tabanan, Bali. Okay, this is a first destination, namely Sanur Beach. Sanur Beach is one of the most popular with a side beach tourism destination on the island of Bali. Based Kuta Beach, Bali. This beach is one of most crowded beaches frequented by tourists, but the domestic and foreign tourism. Do you any question?
Yes. What facilities are there Sanur Beach?
The facilities the Sanur Beach is the park area, bathroom, Trivika Balinese food, villa and bungalow. And now I will give my permission. You have 20 minutes to roam around and tourist. If you hear me, will see a twin in means we have to go our next destination. Okay?
Okay, Tika.
Right, enjoy. And now we are here to our next and last destination, which is the Tanah Lot Temple. Tanah Lot is one of the informal temple for Balinese Hindu and the located of the temple located on Lake Rock of the coast. Tanah Lot Temple is part of the Kayangan Jagat temple in Bali, which is the intended as a place to worship the guardian deities of the sea. Any question?
Yes, I have. What's unique about Tanah Lot Temple, Tika?
Okay, the unique of the located of the temple, which is on Lake Rock at its tide, the temple will
Temple.
the temple will be seen in the middle of the sea. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to meet you again on this beautiful morning. Hope all is well and you have a nice day here at your hotel. Now we are going the airport to get your flight to your next destination. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday we have a Sanur and Pura Tanah Lot. I hope you enjoy the tour. What is your impression during our tour to Pantai Sanur and Pura Tanah Lot?
Okay, when I visited Tanah Lot Temple, where the temple was unique, the first time I heard about it and I came to the temple for the first time and Sanur Beach. Sanur, I was impressed with the beauty of the beach and very delicious Balinese food.
Okay, thank you. It's an honor for me to have the opportunity to be your tour guide. So final, I ask a representative of Bali City Tour would like to ask for good conversation during the tour and choose our company to arrange your tour to the city of Bali. We really hope to meet again in the future and also hope to recommend our company to friends or family who are planning a tour to Bali. I also want to apologize for the mistake we made during your tour. Gentlemen, if you have any suggestion regarding our tour product or tour service, be it for accommodation, transportation, use or ever me as your tour guide and our partner and so on, you can send an email to our company management. Will it is time to say goodbye to our driver and car driver. Okay everyone, before leaving the car, make sure nothing is behind. Thank you for very much. Have a flight and see you next time. Goodbye.